Our next comment comes from Elizabeth. Elizabeth said, I would like to know if Alec drove down to the kennels in the golf cart, could he have shot them on the golf cart? Wouldn't that make him shorter and close to the height of discussion? You know, I got to ask you, Holly, what do you think is going to come of this whole 5'2", 5'4" shooter thing? I thought it was an interesting try by the defense, but they couldn't have been happy when the result was the shooter had to be 5'2" or 5'4".
Yeah, I think that it's the best they could do with the facts that they have, but couldn't it also be that Alec, in a moment of an element of surprise, was trying to just, crouch down and shoot Paul while he stood in the shed, and then knowing that Maggie was behind him, was going to take a lower position by shooting Paul and then turning and shooting Maggie? I mean, I'm not into guns and I don't know much about trajectory and buckshot and all of these things, but I love the question from a commentator, and this tells me that our public, our audience, America watching trial, we're all, very intelligent. And I think that these hucksters think they can get away by getting on the stand and weaving a tale, but it's not really working, and it's not getting by our audience members, and I think that's fantastic.
Yeah, it's certainly not getting by our audience members or trial watchers. No. I can tell you that right now. Our next